Welcome to the new face-to-face scheduling system, your virtual conference edition on your mobile device.
Let us go through the most important steps for you to be prepared from booking your meetings until you meet with your partners from all over the world.
First of all, let us set up the scheduler to suit your needs.
As soon as you sign into the scheduler, you will be guided to set up your profile in 3 steps. Don't worry, this will not take long to finish. Now let's check out your profile. Is the time zone correct? If so, please confirm it. Otherwise, change it. Next are our meeting time slots. Your time slots are automatically set to be available between 9 a.m. and 6 p.m. in your local time. To block a time slot, do this. To open a time slot, do this.
Okay, now that you're set up, let us figure out how to schedule a meeting.
Please have a look at the delegates list to qualify which members you would like to set a meeting with. Once you have a list in mind, start booking your meetings in this section. Meetings are automatically accepted and scheduled. For you to cancel a meeting, click here and cancel the meeting, and your meeting partner will be notified. Once you are done with fixing your meetings, please add up your meeting partners over Skype ahead of time.
Okay, now you're ready to book and meet your partners. We wish you successful virtual meetings ahead.